નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 9, Chapter number 2, First World War and Russian Revolution. The yearning of the Western European country for expansion of the empire and acquire the new territory, colonies resulted in this country going to Asia and Africa. Now, dear children, what they have to given there? They have to given that the yearning of the Western European. What was the meaning of the yearning? Yearning, it means one kind of wish, icha, tadap, chinta. This is the meaning of yearning. It means the yearning of the Western European country for regarding with the expansion of their empire, and they have to acquire the new territory from the Asia and Africa. Thus they established their colony and expanded their rules. Now what happened there? They have to acquire new territory into Asia and Africa, and they established their colonies and expand their rule into the Asia and Africa. Consequently, there arose a competition between Europe nation to establish the colony. Now, dear children, what happened there? Now, consequently, the competition arose between the European nation to establish the colony into the Asia and Africa. This greed for colonization among the Western European nations caused the economical, social and cultural ruin of the Asian African country. Dear children, what they have to given that the greed of colonialization, greed it means love, lalach, strong desire of colonization among the Western European nation caused economic, social and cultural ruin of the Asian African country. As a result of this, world politics was such that the First World War and Bolshevik Revolution took place. Because of this kind of the greed of the European nation was one kind of the world politics was for the First World War as well as the Bolshevik Revolution took place. So dear student, let's study about the detail. Now first of all, they have to given about the Western European colonialization in Asia and Africa. The Western European country wanted to expand their empire in Asia and Africa. Dear children, what they have to given there? They have to given that Western European country wanted to expand their empire into the Asia and Africa, and they established their colony into Asia and Africa. Their greed for colonialization did not spare even their neighboring country. Now what happened? Their greed is increasing day by day, and they also control their neighboring country also. Spain had taken control over Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg. Later on, some of them, their provision were captured by the France. Now what happened there? European nation was also controlling their neighboring country, and their greed is become increasing day by day, and that's why they have to given that the different colonies of the European nation was controlled by their neighboring country. When the Portuguese king died without an heir, what was the meaning of the heir? Heir, it means the waris. Portugal came under the rule of the Spanish king because of his blood relation. Now what happened that year? The Portuguese king died without an heir. That's why Portugal came under the rule of the Spanish king because of blood relation. So for the 6 decades, the monopoly of established colony in non-European country was with the Spain. It means for the how many years? Near about 6 decades. It means near about 60 years. The monopoly to establish the colony in non-European country was with the Spain. Same way, similarly, Italy and German state become the victim of the greed of France and Austria. Now what happened there? Here Italy and Germany has become the victim of the greed. Greed, it means, you know very well that greed, it means strong desire, lalach, love. Victim of the France as well as the Austria, when the European power were tightening their grip over the Asian African nation, many of the European nations which had become free. Now what happened there? Whenever the maximum European nation was came to the Asian African nation, that time many European nation become the independent. And following are the footsteps of the England made many of the Afro-Asian nation in their colony. And what happened there? Now the England from the Europe, they was came to the Asian Africa to acquire the new colonies. Now, colonialization in Asia. After the strengthening its grip over the India, England expands its empire to Sri Lanka. Now, what happened that here? The strengthening its grip over the India. It means the England was control the India after they expand their empire into the Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Singapore, and Malaysia. England entered the China also, but due to the opinion of trade between England and China, there was a war in 1839 to 1842 which came to be known as the Opium War in its history. Which war? Opium War. Opium War, it means अफीम की लड़ाइयाँ. They remember in this history. China lost this war and thereby lost 5 of its port to the Englander. Here what happened? China lost this war and that's why they have to lose their main 5 ports to the England, where England could carry on their trade and expanded their empire. Taking the advantages of China weakness, Japan, Russia, Germany, France, Belgium, America also acquired trade and political rights. Now what happened? Here all the nations take the advantages of China's weakness and they also started the acquiring trade of the political rights. Now, the enormous oil resources in the desert region of the West Asia attract the European to establish colonies there. Now, what happened there? Enormous oil resources. You know very well the meaning of enormous. Enormous, it means huge, bahut bada, vishal. Resources of the desert region of the West Asia attract European nations to establish their colony. That's why England, Germany, Russia, America established the oil company in Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain and made the effort to take care of their own interests. And that's why what happened there? Maximum European nation was came and they was established their colonies into the Iran, Iraq and Kuwait for with things for regarding with the attraction of the oil companies. After they have to given about the colonialization in Africa. The Dutch established its colony for the first time at the end of the 15th century in South Africa. What they have to given that? They have to given that the Dutch established its colony in the first time in the 15th century in South Africa. After that, England and France established their colony in Cape and Algeria in North Africa. What happened there? England and France also established their colony in Cape and Algeria in the North Africa respectively. It means after the Dutch. The vast provisions of Africa seems quite suitable for acquiring the raw material. It means Africa is vast provision to provide the raw material to the European nation and selling is ready product post industrial revolution. And that time what happened that in European nation one kind of the industrial revolution was start. That's why they have a requirement for the raw material and this raw material they have to get from the Asian and African colonies, because of which European country compete to establish the colony. And that's why what happened that now European country doing the competition with the each other in to establish the colony. King Leopold of Belgium says the vast provisions of Congo and established his rules. Now what happened? King Leopold of the Belgium says of Congo to establish his rules and England established this colony into the Egypt, some provisions of East Africa and some of the South Africa. Now what happened there? That's why the England was established some colony into the Egypt and some provision into the East Africa and South Africa. France established their colony in Tunisia, Morocco, and West Africa provision. And that's why what happened that year? Francis also established their colonies into the different provisions into the Africa. Germany established its empire in some provisions of the East and West Africa. Same way, Germany was also tried to establish their provisions into the East and Western Africa. Italy captured the African provisions around the Red Sea. What happened that year? Italy also captured the African provisions around the Red Sea. Spain, Portugal also seized some provisions of Africa. It means the different European nation was came into the Africa and they have to establish their colony and they have to capture their colony among them. A conference for the European nation was held in Berlin 1884 to 85 in the mindset of this competition to establish the colony. Now what happened then? Because of increase in competition among the European nation to establish their colony, that's why the European nation held the conference in Berlin in 1884 to 1885. Different African territory were divided among the European nation at the end of the conference. What happened that after the completion of that conference, different African territory was to be divided among the different European nation at the end of that conference. And that's why the colonial dominance of the different European of the nation was established over the entire Africa. And what happened that year? Different kind of the dominance it means the prabha of the European nation was established into the entire Africa. While on one end, the greedy of European nations were trying to colony of the various Asian African territory. And we know very well that the European nation was very greedy, and that's why they have established more and more colonies into the Asia and Africa. On the other hand, Germany and Italy had completed the process of its respective political unification. And now what happened then? Germany and Italy also was trying to establish their more colony into the Asian African nation, and now they have a political superpower. Thus, the unified Germany plug into the competition to industrialization. Now what happened there? Now Germany was plugged for the competition for the industrialization, commercialization and colonialization. And that's why what happened there? Now due to the good political respectiveness in Germany, and now Germany was starting the competition with the other European nation in each and every field of the industrialization, commercialization and colonialization. And thus this quickly changes the global phenomena and exploited some of this country. And now what happened then? This kind of the quickly changes the phenomena. What was the meaning of phenomena? Phenomena, it means ghatna. And exploited, it means shoshit karna, shoshan karna of the country, of the political, economical and socially, due to which the development had stopped. Now what happened then? Here the European nation control the Asia and African territory, and now they exploit these nations, and that's why this nation was politically, economically and socially was exploited by that nation. And here in Asia and Africa the development of that nation was stopped, and this had led the First World War. Thank you for joining us.